Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is David.
I'm Tina.
And in this episode, we are going to share with you an experience, and I do mean an experience, of us heading to Tucson, Arizona for
the United Rally 2025 with the Switch It Up team.
Right. And so we have been planning this trip for, oh my gosh, months. And I had everything mapped out. I had everything scheduled, had all the reservations made.
Yep.
And what happened?
Oh, the week of, we got 10 inches of snow, we got ice, and then we got snow on top of that.
Right. So, well, just check out the video.
Today's a big day for us.
Caught me in a bad hair day.
We had planned on leaving on Thursday for a trip to Arizona, but of course the snow came and set us behind. Today's Sunday, and David's actually getting ready to hook up the trailer, and hope to goodness we can get it out and we can start our journeys. What you got going on over here, hun?
Okay, so we dug out the best we could. And I've got a nice pathway through the driveway. I'm gonna have to come in and hitch up at an angle, I think.
Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. I heard it click. I heard it click, hon. That's a good sign.
And thank you, Solar 3 backup camera, because that really helps line up even though I was battling with the snow. All right, I'm gonna go fix my hair, and then I'm going to get this rig out of here. So, all right, here we go.
Oh no.
Freedom! We're out of the driveway. So we had been planning this trip for many months.
Right.
I had it all mapped out, had all reservations set and ready to go, and then of course the snow came. And we did something that we've never done before. And I canceled all of our reservations out to Arizona.
We weren't for sure where we were going to get to go.
Yeah.
It was just the weather was so crazy.
I was calling every one of our locations, and they were like, yeah, we've got like 20 inches of snow. We've got like 100 inches of snow. We're like, just...
That's a little exaggeration, but...
Just a bit.
Yeah.
But, so we canceled them all, and I told Tina, if I can get us out of the driveway, we're just gonna have to make the reservations as we go.
Yeah.
I don't operate that way.
No, he doesn't.
And so that was a first for me.
I'm here.
First of all,
Wait a minute, I thought I parked everybody.
nice meeting you, Gary. All right.
This is good. It's still daylight. We can get the dogs out.
So what started out to be a leisurely 5-day drive.
Turned into a 4-day drive.
Right.
Well, at least we thought so.
Right. So we had canceled, like I said, we canceled all of our reservations, and we were heading to Paris, Texas for an overnight stay. Right?
That's correct.
And as we are stopping at a fuel stop, I'm looking at the schedule. Tina's looking at the schedule, and I'm like, man, we're gonna be in Paris, Texas at like 1 p.m. That's a lot of extra time we could be on the road. So we're gonna make an effort to get to Big Springs, Texas, and it wasn't gonna be much longer. Well, We both missed an entire 4-hour segment of that time. So what should have been us arriving in Big Springs around 6 p.m. was more like 10 p.m. Well, just watch the video and you'll see how long the drive was.
That's correct.
Welcome to Texas. Woohoo!
So as we're leaving Big Springs, Texas, and by the way, we want to thank Big Springs, Texas RV Park for being very accommodating.
Right.
We had another planned stopover, but I had canceled that reservation. So, Tina, what did we do again?
Well, we decided to go ahead and drive straight to Pima County Fairgrounds,
Yep.
which made for another long day of driving.
Yeah. Well, just watch the video.
Yeah.
They're doing that right now. Just
We are here for the rally.
We finally made it to the Pima County Fairgrounds, and boy, were we exhausted.
We were very tired.
Yeah, we couldn't do anything that night with
No.
the group. So we
Everybody was already in bed.
yeah.
But the next day, we joined the rally. They had lots of, I don't want to call them seminars, but they were like breakout sessions with different topics, RVing with your pets. And there was some insurance, health insurance seminars or talks. There was a panel of some YouTube channels.
Right.
And we just had a great time.
Right.
But we really had a good time with the games.
The games were fun.
Now, we were late getting there, so we didn't get signed up for the cornhole tournament, but we did get to play
Singo.
Singo.
It's so much fun.
So, well, check out the video. Oh,
So nice, isn't it?
so nice. Tina, come here. So the
Hi,
very
everyone.
very first day at the rally, and we just sat through a couple seminars. A lot of fun. These guys got a thing going.
Right,
They've got
they
some
definitely.
good information. But what do you think so far?
So far,
Yeah.
it's been great.
Yeah, the weather. Hey, it's January the 15th, so we're outside in just a long sleeve shirt and taking the pups for a walk. So, all right, we'll catch you later.
Champions, even when things get difficult, tough, there's still good, positive attitudes. All right, let's take it.
Don't have a single one. Well, one. I got one. Do it again. So if she's wrong, she has to sing that song. So she got them all. So we want to take just a few moments and express our gratitude for Todd and Sheila and for their efforts in bringing this community together, not just RVers, but YouTubers alike, bringing us all together for a common cause. I mean, it was a lot of fun.
Right.
And we got to meet old YouTubers that we've known before and new ones, and made new friends.
That's correct.
So just want to take a moment to say thank you, Todd and Sheila, Switch It Up, and the Switch It Up crew for putting together an awesome show.
That's correct.
And I think we'll be back.
Oh, we will be.
Yeah, I think we'll go back. Anyway, we hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and we thank you for watching. And remember, like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
Bring the RV community space together that we could go out and serve with a purpose. That was the dream of having such an RV. Now the goal was 5 to 10 years in the future. We never once thought it would be happening right now. And exactly 1 year ago today, we moved from taking something that Sheila drawn out on a piece of paper to moving to a concept, to having it pretty much done. It was unpainted, it was unfinished. We had everything that was there to move it right into the Tampa RV show, to reveal this dream to thousands of people that walked by. And even though it wasn't done, the dream was still going forward. It's hard to believe that it was only 1 year ago.
And we really have no idea how we even got to this point. It makes no sense on paper. And there is no logical explanation. But what if we walk by faith, and when we sense that the Lord is calling us to do something, what if we just stop trying to make it make sense? And what if we just surrender our will to His way? And tonight really is that dream turned into a reality. And we know that we're just getting started. God has more for us together. What it is, how it's going to happen, when, we're not sure. But what if we just simply take Him at His word?
It could be a place that we could unite the RV communities, to have them come together in maybe special events and rallies, and even create a worship night under the stars where we could lift our voices to God.
You'd ever know all of the promises they broke. Tell me what it feels like to let go. Tell me what it feels like to break free. When all of the things you thought you needed, they turn into dust and make believe. Tell me what it feels like to break free. Tell me what it feels like to be true, when even the smallest parts of you aren't worried about what people think. Tell me what it feels like to break free. Oh, tell me what it feels like to break free. Yeah, tell me what it feels like.
Oh, stop! Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio, get the stretch. Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we're gonna show out. Smoother than fresh drop skipping. Skipping. Hot, hot damn. Police, the firemen, too hot.